Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Good morning to you all. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. So, welcome back to my channel. After a very long time, I am making the video for the beginners for the crypto trading guide, and you are watching my channel. That's it's Digital Shahzadi. This is my channel, and this is the basic crypto course that you want to learn about this, and you have to watch all the videos for the basic knowledge, for the basic terminologies. For these videos are for the beginners. May hopefully you like it my videos. I've taken some material from the for the crypto stuff for the beginners. So this is for the newly beginners, the basic candlestick pattern about the support and the resistance and everything which I'm showing you in my video. So in the today's videos we will gonna see what double top and what's about the triple top. So if you are liking my videos, you are liking my channel, and you are liking my crypto course, hit the like button, share it with your colleagues and families, because sharing is caring, guys. So hopefully moving towards the today's lesson. Today's lesson is lesson number 11. And so we are going to be learning about a new trading term, and this is one you have probably heard a lot, as well as similarly to the support and resistance video. This is the video of the support and resistance. I did talk about the support and resistance as it exists, and then a lot of people talk about it. However, it's not the most optimal thing to trade with. So this is my video for the support and the resistance. Now today I'm going to show you a video very similar to this, where the double tops and the double bottoms, and we will talk about the triple tops and the triple bottom. So stay tuned with me. See my videos, watch till end, and they are good. But with other things, when we say that they are just themselves, so let's get into it, and we'll talk about that, what they are and what they do in some real work. So in a real examples, we will see how we're trading in the tops and the bottoms, and we will just include the term triple tops and the triple bottoms in this as well. So no chart pattern is more common in trading than more commonly trading a double bottom or the double top. Now this is actually appear along with it serve as a full proof of positive that the price action is not widely random as academics so claim. So you can see over here, this is the chart. You can see over here a double top right now over here, essentially where you have the same name suggests the two kind of peaks to price. You have got one main bid by another bid, and then leads to the price going down, and the vice versa. Actually you have got a double bottom right now over here. This is the double bottom, and we have got another bottom one at the bottom, and this leads to the price action going up, and you see this quite a lot in the market. Now like I said, it doesn't always work. Most strategies or the most pattern have 30 to 40 rate, so working actually. But when you see this in the line with other things such as a trend or etc, this has been a quite good chance of getting into your favor. And you can see here the prices were actually random. They pause severely at what just those points of the traders. The answer is that many participants are making stand, and they are clearly the market level. So let's talk about it's because there are a lot of the people that move the market, and especially in the crypto market. Same is the case with the price action, and many in the crypto you have the whales that would do very much the same as you have these predetermined price levels. So if you see all the reactions of now, the main thing to talk about is how do we trade this and how do we want to react or anticipate. Now on this channel I always talk about the anticipation and the reaction. This is for the main market structure, and the market move is not the way to go to the go to react. We want to wait for the market to make it move first, okay, and then get into a retest or some other form. You can say, you can rewatch to the other lessons, as well as I have talked about in my video that I have talked about in the depth. And the best thing to do is to wait for the market to show you what it wants to go before getting involved. Because if you are just anticipating, your win rate is going to get dramatically lower. So let me show you what it is and how we can trade them. So before moving towards the chart, I will like you to like, subscribe my channel, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family members, because sharing is caring. You know, my motivation words are for you guys. So moving towards the chart, here I have just couple of example I just picked out in a very recent crypto market on the Bitcoin. It's a daily chart, and you can see over here these patterns. Right now there are two example where the price worked now as a big misconception about the double bottom or the triple bottom, etc. This needs to be exactly in the same point I'm showing you. So maybe this is not the true double tops and the true bottoms. You can slightly ask you that they don't have to be exactly the same. Moving towards that bottom over here, and you can see the price action right now over here, and still counts. You can see over here one top is slightly higher than the other top, and these 2 points, and yet the still counts as the double top. You don't need to be precise with it now. Very similarly, you see a double bottom over here. This is the double bottom, and we'll see it in a recent video about that the double bottom. When we show you a double bottom right now over here, this is the most of the point, you know, when the market will take over. And the double bottom here, you can see the price comes into the moves, and this is the price that it comes into the move again and then pushes up higher, and you can even see maybe even have a triple bottom over here. So they have 3 points over here, potentially a triple top. This is basically a point where these 3 points, well, this is completely up to you whether you want to know call a triple top or double top. But either way, you can see a price that has then move upward, and then from the double bottom, and then from the triple bottom, you can say that now like I said, it occurs then the downward. So quite frequently, you know, it's really up to what you define. I mean, some people may call it as a double top because you have two major peaks over here. These peaks leads to the price going down. If you go up here, I'm sure you can see over here. I'll show you. You can see a double top over here, and then we even call a triple top over here. This is the double top, and you can see it as a triple top. There are the many times that this happens in the market. So I would say it's a kind of a mix, mixed with its support and resistance over here. Here you can see a kind of a then become the half level over here. So this may be the support over here, and then you can trade from. And the general idea is that if the price has moved away from an area once, then the price comes back to exactly the same area, it should theoretically move away, and it will again, hence why why the price does that sometimes. Again, this is a chart over here, and you will see over here uh, a triple bottom right now over here. I will show you one bottom is right now over here, and nothing is completely based on how you trade. Wait, I'll show you. From that point, this you can see a double top or the triple top. Oh, sorry, double bottom or the triple bottom. So alone on you shouldn't, but you can use them within a trend. So you can use it with the trend, and for example, picking the tops and the bottoms. And obviously what add in the name, I like this one a lot more likely, because we are already in overall downtrend, and the price is getting down, moving down. You can view my strategies on that, and you are seeing the prices already, we are in the downtrend and the price is going down. So identifying the videos back on the lesson, you in the playlist, because you can see how to identify a trend. I have made a very much good videos on this, and you will be able to find out the trend, that what's the trend, what is going to be used when we see the trend already in the downtrend. And you should know when it's a downtrend, it's a time for better investment. And at that point, we have seen a triple top continuation, we are already getting, meaning that there could be a nice trade to take. So again, and I think I would only really use this uh, either as a continuation pattern again, and we have a potential double top over here continuing, and really using them to pick up the tops and the bottoms. And they are just because I think that again, when you start trading reversal, and reversal trading is far less profitable than the trend trade. So anyways guys, if you are pretty simple topics, it's not much else to cover with. Let me know what your thoughts are, and then if you are any question other about the trading and the other stuff, other stuff, answer them the best I can, will tell you in my videos. Let me know what should I do. Already done with the 10 lessons. I have done already a 10 lessons, and I will sure you go and watch them all. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy, please support that channel, like and subscribe to the channel, and leave a like on the video as well. As so soon I will catch you in my next another video. And oh sorry, I just want to tell you that my link description has a Telegram channel, so you can go right over there, link description, and join my Telegram channel too. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.